Yeah. So we started with some introduction to probability, right? So we started about variance, mean, all those things, Gaussian distribution, uniform distribution, continuous and discrete. So now we'll talk about little bit about random process or stochastic process. Uh, then about pulse shaping, matched filter, and I'll also explain what is ISI. So this ISI is required because in GMSK we are introducing ISI, sorry, ISI. So we'll be equalizing. So better be next class I will take, but I'll give a brief introduction till ISI actually. So random process or stochastic process actually. Suppose if there is any doubt, you please ask immediately actually.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Consider it. I switch on the fan just to see whether you are disturbed too much actually because it is too hot for me actually. I have switched off the fan actually. It's a table fan. Just see whether it is too hot. Are you disturbed?
No,
Is
sir.
it annoying? Is it
Yeah.
okay or is it
Ah, it's
okay?
okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ah, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Oh,
audible. Yeah.
no, no. Fan sound is it coming?
No, no, sir.
No, no,
Okay.
sir. No.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Otherwise it is too hot actually. Yeah. Yeah. So suppose consider toss me a coin twice actually. Okay, two times you toss a coin. What are the possibilities? Head, 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 tail, head, tail actually. Okay.
Yes.
For simplicity, you assume that each head is one fourth. It's a unbiased coin. Head is equal to probability of head equal to probability of tail, half, one half. So head is one fourth. Head tail is one fourth. Tail head is one fourth. Tail also one fourth. Each is one fourth actually. So map all these four possibilities to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is 0 to 3 actually. That can be done, right?
Yes.
Head is 0, 0. Head is 0, tail is 1. Head tail means 0, 1. Tail head is 1, 0. Tail is 1, 1 is 3 actually.
Yes.
And produce a sine wave actually. Actually, I made this more complicated actually. I'll give a simple example. I'll write it separately. I'll also give some assignment. All the things separately or discussing among ourselves completely. And tell me tomorrow actually. It will give a intuitive insight into this process actually. Not only maths, formula, you got to know the intuition actually. Tomorrow you want to implement something, algorithm or something, intuition will help. Without intuition, you cannot write program actually. So we saw 0 to 3, right? So theta is nothing but 0 to 3 into pi by 2. That head or tail head determines 0 to 3. So you twice it twice, the number you got, plug into this number here, multiply by pi by 2. So what will come? 0 into pi by 2 is 0, 1 into pi by 2 is pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2 is pi, 3 into pi by 2. So 0 to 3 pi by 2. One of the four values will come actually, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So to generate a sine wave, sine omega t plus theta. Okay, t is time actually. So please mute your phone actually. I don't know, some sound is coming actually. Whenever you ask questions only, you just unmute and till that all of you can mute it actually. If you ask doubt, you unmute and ask actually. So sin omega t plus theta, I am generating actually. Theta, theta is a random variable actually. 0 to 3, anyone. You toss twice, you got the value, you plug into theta. Is it clear actually? This theta is a random variable, 0 to 3. Right? 0, 0, what is the probability of 0? 1/4. Probability of pi by 2, 1/4. Probability of pi, 1/4. 3 pi by 2, 1/4. Okay, in our case, equally likely, but it need not be equally likely. 0 can be one third, some another can be different. All the four can be different also actually. If it is a biased coin, it is going to be different. Just for simplicity, I am telling, but it need not be equally likely actually. Right? See, I have tossed twice. One experiment is two tossing actually. Okay, like that 100 times I have done this experiment actually. Sin omega t plus theta, I plug this theta value. By tossing two coins, I got theta. I plug into this. See, y1 of t is the sine wave generated when theta was 0 actually. Right? See, Here, can you see? At 0, it's 0 actually. That means it is a sine wave, right? Is it clear? Is it?
Yes.
Are you able to see the
Yes.
cursor? At 0, time equal to 0, omega t is 0 actually. At 0, angle 0, omega is radians per second. Whatever it may be. So, at t equals 0, it is value is 0. So, plus 0, theta is 0. So, sine start with the angle 0, sine 0 is 0. It starts like this. This is the original sine wave. Next, two tasks I got. At first experiment. Second experiment, twice I tossed it. I got 1-0 actually. 1-0 means, I told you, pi actually, right? So, pi, this is sine 0, sine omega t plus 0. This is sine omega t plus pi. It is just, see, there is a reversal, right? It is a phase reversal. Are you able to see this actually?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I just gave an example actually. It could be anything, but in my experiment it became like that 100 times I have repeated. So some zeros, some pi by 2, some pi, some 3 pi by 2 came. Many sine waves came. Just I draw only 2. Okay, others you can visualize. Can you visualize? No problem, right? See, this pi actually, if it is a pi by 2, what is that? It will be a cosine wave, right? Sin omega t plus pi by 2 will be a cosine wave, right? Sin omega t plus theta, sorry, pi by 2 is cos theta, right? Cos omega t, right? So at 0, it will start 1 actually. It's a cosine wave, right? Sin omega t plus 3 pi by 2, it will be minus cos omega t, right? So the different sine waves will come 100 times, 100 depending upon the toss outcome. Different sine waves will come actually, right? All these 100 sine waves, we call them as stochastic process actually, or random process actually. Are you able to understand? Right? No,
Here T is 100 times, sir.
no. T is the time variable, seconds.
Okay, yeah.
See, sin omega t plus theta, 2 times you get task to get 1 theta. It will be 0, pi by 2, pi or 3 pi by 2. The 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. There are 4 possibilities actually. Right? I map to 0, 0 is 0, that means angle 0. 0, 1 is pi by 2. 1, 0 is 2 into pi by 2. 1, 1 is 3 into pi by 2. Right? I mapped like that.
Yes.
I got 4 different values, 4 different possibilities are there. Theta is a discrete random variable. You have to understand. It is discrete actually, not continuous. Discrete. Only one of the 4 possibilities you can take. Okay. Each one did not have equal probability. Simplicity I am taking equal, but it could be anything. Okay. But all the probability sum, what will be the value? P of 0 plus
1.
P of pi by 2 plus P of 2 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2, what will be the value?
1 only.
Yeah. So 100 times I do this experiment, different values you get actually for theta. You draw the sine wave. Whole collection of these 100 sine waves is called a stochastic process. Is it clear? Or random process actually. See, once you fix this theta, this is a sine wave, right? This is an ordinary sine wave actually, right?
Yes.
Here you theta equal to pi. This is another sine wave, but phase shifted by pi actually, right? This around, what is this actually? This wave, what is this actually? This is a sine wave. Forget about random coin tossing. This is a sine wave actually. Is it random or deterministic? Deterministic means it is a function of time. Is there any randomness in this wave? Sin omega t plus pi. Is there any randomness?
No, sir.
That means if I tell what is the value here, this is minus 1, at this time I can tell it is plus 1 actually. Or any time for this the cursor is showing, I can tell actually exactly. You tell me the time, I will tell you the value actually. Right? It is a function of time only, right?
Yes,
Once
sir.
it is theta, you fix it. It is a function of time actually. Is it clear? You toss it
Yes, sir.
2 times, you got 1 theta, you plug it, draw a sine wave. Forget about further tossing. It is a sine wave, that's all. It is a function of time actually. This is called one realization actually. This is one realization. This is another realization. But they are different because thetas are different actually. Once you fix the theta, it is a function of time. It is called one realization. Is it clear? One
Yes.
T
Yes,
is
sir.
one realization, y1 of t is one realization, y2 of t is another realization, etc. Y100 of t is another realization. Okay. But all the 100 together it is called random process or stochastic process. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And another thing, you fix time actually. Suppose any value, you fix, see, are you able to see the cursor? See, I am showing this time actually. Here in this wave, some value, positive value
Yes.
is there. In this wave, it is negative value. Some other wave could be different values. Or four different values you will be getting, right? For a fix, if you
Yes.
fix the time, only four different volts you will get. What is the peak to peak volt? Either plus one or minus one volts, right? Because it is a sine wave. Maximum positive value is plus one. Minus maximum negative value is minus one. So if you fix a time, some voltage, say here it is minus 0.3 volt, here it is plus 0.7. I don't know, just I'm telling. Here another. There are four possible voltage values will be there if you fix a time, right? This, are you able to understand this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See, for depending upon theta, see, you plug omega is 2 pi into 1000. T is equal to 10 second, you keep 10 second. Theta 1 you give 0. Theta 2 you give pi by 2. Theta 3 you give 2 pi by 2. Theta 4 you give 3 pi by 2. You can find for 10 second what are the values. Only four different values you will be getting actually. So if you keep 10 t equal to 10 second, you get four different volts actually. Four different volts. They will not be same. Four different volts. What is this called? Random variable actually. Right? If you fix time, you get four different values. Okay. Suppose one value is 0.7. 0.7 out of 100 sine waves, 0.7 may occur some 25 times or 30 times. 0.3 may occur some 10 times. Okay. Depending upon the probability of theta actually. Theta 1 probability, theta 2 probability, that voltage value will vary actually. Right? The 0.7 volts will occur with some probability that correspond to theta equal to 0. This here if it is 0.3, second 0.3 may occur with some different numbers actually. Out of 100 it may have 20 values or 15 values. Okay. So it has a different probability actually. There are only four values, discrete values. If you fix time, there are only four values. This concept is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I draw it, or if you don't understand, I'll draw it again and explain it to you. Okay, I'll draw it better. See, this is one sine wave. This is another sine wave, pi by 2. I am unable to draw it better. Pi.
So we understood it's okay if even if you don't.
Okay, if you understood it.
Means like how that waveform comes, we understood. So
Yeah, waveform comes, but what is random variable? See, this is pi actually. Okay, some particular time you freeze this time actually. This time you freeze it. Here it is plus 0.3. Here it may be minus 0.2. This is y2. Okay, this is y1. So like that, four different values you will be getting. This is a random variable. This is 0.3, minus 0.2, some values. That could be another 0.7, another could be minus 0.5. Four different values you will be getting. this will repeat. Out of all 100, one will happen actually. And if you fix the time, actually, I am fixing the time, say 10 seconds. I am just giving an example. You are getting some values, 4 different values will come. 0.3 will occur some 35 times, minus 0.2 will occur some 10 times. Okay, so different times it will occur actually, depending upon the probability of the angle actually, right? So this is a random variable, right? Is it a discrete value or a random variable or continuous random variable?
Random.
We fix the time in our experiment. Is it a discrete random variable or continuous random variable?
Discrete.
A fixed time discrete.
Yeah, in our case, because theta we took as a discrete random variable actually. Okay, so there are only 4 possibilities, then that is discrete. Each one has some probability. It may be 0.2, it could be 0.15, or total sum is 1, that's all. So it is a discrete. So this is called random variable, and one realization is called, one sine wave is called one realization. All 100 collection is called stochastic process. Is it clear actually?
Yes.
This is important actually. This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, so now we know what is stochastic process, what is a random variable, what is realization, what realization actually. Okay, we'll move to next topic. So this I have a, you will see 100 sine waves 0 to 3/2, fix one experiment of 2 tosses, that is one realization, fixed time, that is random variable. Whole correction is stochastic process actually. I explained this. Thetas are random variables actually, right? So x of t is a function of time, right? Sin omega t plus theta 1 or theta 2 or theta 3 or theta 4, depending upon 0 pi by 2, 3, 2 pi by 2 or 3 by 2 actually. So that mean value is at any time, what is E of x of t? X of t is the stochastic process actually, right? X of t is a random process. It is a, if you do it for 100 times, 100 different waveforms actually. If you fix some particular time, t equal to say 10 seconds, what is x of 100 actually? How will you get it actually? Any idea? I want
So,
just a minute. Huh? I'll show this again. I'll show this figure. Yeah, now I want x of whatever second maybe, it is 10 seconds, say. This is 10 seconds, x of 10 seconds I want. E of E is expectation, statistical expectation. I told you, that coin tossing experiment, loss or gain actually,
Yes.
right?
yes.
What is normal expectation actually? Suppose I have 100 numbers, 1, 3, 7, like that, or minus 5. Some 100 numbers are 99, 300 numbers. What is the average value actually? Total 100 numbers. What is the average value? Some,
Average.
right? Divided by 100, right? Right? So if the signal is time varying, deterministic, you sum all samples divided by the total number of samples. That will be the deterministic or time average actually. This concept is clear, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have the sample, square it, each one you square it. Sum it, square sum. There are 100 samples, divided by 100. What do you call this actually? There are 100 samples in a signal. There are 100 samples you have taken. Square all the samples. Total number of samples is 100 divided by 100. What do you call this actually? This average value of sum of the squares, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Average value of the,
Variance.
what is
Sum
this
of the
actually?
squares. So,
Forget about the probability, just ordinary signal. You square it, samples, various samples, you square it, divided by the total number of samples. What do you call this actually? This power, right? This do you know or not actually?
yes. Sir.
Right? This is power, right? Square it. See, you assume that 1 ohm resistor is there. Voltage square divided by R is 1 ohm. Sigma VA square divided by total number actually. I equal to 1 to 100. So you are divided by 100. This is power actually. Is it clear?
Yes.
Or you are not aware of, are you not aware of this?
No, sir, I thought it is just the summation. The average was divided by 100. I did not know, sir.
Yeah, in a signal, what do you call this actually? See, what is power actually?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. That is
F
1
of,
by 8 summation of
yeah,
magnitude square will take.
F of t square dt integral 1 by some period actually, whatever it may be, some t, right? This
Yes.
is power, right? This is power, right? If it is continuous, if it is discrete, you, instead of integral, you sum it actually, divided by the total time actually, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How do you get this? How do you come from this? How do you come here actually? Where is the time variable actually? Where do you put 100 actually? Where is, how do you link this to time? Can you tell me? I said you have to divide by time actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where is the time is missing here, right? How do we call it as power? How do we say that this is power? This is power for continuous. I said discrete for this is power actually.
Sir, that discrete will take 1 by n. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 by n. Why 1 by n? Where is the time? I should be in second, right?
But NT, all this normalized.
So, just a minute. I will go to the next page. See, this is your signal. Some signal, okay? You sample it. This is a 100th sample, okay? This is first sample, this is a 100th sample. Okay? Equal time actually. Total length is t, some t, right?
Yes.
So what is each width t by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So, do you know the rectangle rule? How do you integrate actually? Generally, how do you integrate a curve numerically? This is, you are squaring the waveform. This is f of t square. Square it, that is the waveform. This. You divide by 100. What is the area of this rectangle actually? You assume this f of t square is almost constant between this very small rectangle. Height is constant. Divided by height into width. Width is t by 100. T by 100 into f1 square. Can I write for this t first sample actually, whatever time, or t1 first f2 ft2 square into t by 100. You can tell like this, right? Like that up to 100 you can tell. This is the total area under the curve, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So divide by the time actually. This is the total area under the curve actually. This is the total mean square, squared value ft square, the area under this, and you have to divide by t, right? Time,
T.
total time.
Mm.
This and this gets cancelled actually.
Get cancelled.
So, right? That's why that time explicitly doesn't appear that in power formula. But now you are convinced, right? It is power actually.
Yes.
Square the sample, sum it, divided by the number of samples, give the power actually. Right?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I told see that class I told you about autocorrelation, right? Deterministic signal autocorrelation. First I talked actually. This is one signal, one sample, this sample, so many samples are there. Samples are there. Okay. Another signal is there. Sorry, same autocorrelation is same actually. So I told x of n plus k, x of k, sigma, going to be 1 by n. I think I didn't write, I think it must be 1 by n actually. Because you are averaging actually. So multiplying n equal to some 1 200 or whatever it may be. Divided by total number of samples you are doing actually. This is called autocorrelation. Did I write this? I think I remember I told the relationship between convolution and correlation, right? Did I not tell you? So this is the formula I told, right? See, you multiply the samples, add it, and divide by the total number of samples. This is called deterministic autocorrelation. That is the signal is a function of time actually. Deterministic, a function of time. Autocorrelation, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is autocorrelation but deterministic. What is the mean actually? Sigma x of n. Suppose there are n samples, right? This is the mean actually. This is deterministic mean. This is deterministic autocorrelation. Okay. Now we will talk about probabilistic mean and probabilistic autocorrelation actually. Okay. Now, what is E of xt actually? This is statistical average actually. Deterministic average, when signal is given to you, you sum it and divide by the number of samples, it is deterministic time average. This is a statistical average. How do you find the statistical average actually? No, these concepts are must be very thorough. Otherwise, it will be difficult to do anything actually. That's why I'm taking a lot of trouble to make it to understand to you actually. Right? Maths, I keep it minimum, but intuitively I develop the subject actually. E of xt. But E is a statistical expectation, right? Right? So I told you, you keep the value at 10 seconds, let it be 10 seconds, x of 10, right? You want x of 10, 10 seconds, E of x of 10, you want. Okay, so you fix it, you got 100 realization, 100 sine waves you got, at 10 seconds, each value you got, you note down actually. See, point 3, I told you, this is a discrete random variable, there are only 4 different volts you will be getting. Okay, for example, 0.3 minus 0.2, 0.7 minus 0.5. Okay, I just gave randomly. I don't know. You have to substitute the formula 1000, t equal to 1000, you have to put hertz. I am giving f is equal to 1000 actually. If its frequency is different, the values are going to be different. So sine 2 pi f t, 2 pi into 1000 into 10 seconds you have to give. Okay, plus theta value. Theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to 2 pi by 2, theta equal to different values. 4 values, I got these 4 values actually. Okay. So how will you get the average? This is like this 100 values are there. This 0.3 will repeat so many times. Say 0.3 will repeat 20 times. Minus 0.2 repeats so many times. So totally 100. How will you get the average? Weighted average, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Forget about probability time being. You are given this experiment, you have to find the average value. 50 times 0.3, right?
Yes.
50 into
0.3
0.3.
into 50.
50 into 0.3. Then 15 into minus 0.2 plus 15 into minus 0.2. Like that, all the 4 you multiply and add. What do you know? Divided by
Total 100.
100, right? So
Yes.
intuitively, what is this? 20 times it has happened out of 100 times. What is this called? Favor 2.3 is 20. Total 100. What is this called? 20 by 800. What do you call this? Approximately. It is not exact.
Probably.
Huh? Probability,
Probability
right?
of
Probability of 0.3 actually, right?
probability of occurrence of
Yeah. So this is weighted average, nothing but 0.3 minus 0.2 and all. You multiply by the probability and sum it. That is statistical expectation, right? See, I
Yes.
told that a formula, but how to do is practically you do this 100 times, you note down the values, but this will not fit into a probability because this is approximation. You do only 100 times. 100 times may not be an accurate description. You may have to do some 1,000 times or 10,000 times. Still, you don't get the exact value. There will be some difference. Okay, theory will differ with the practical, always some extent. But this is how practically you have to do it, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How to find the statistical average? You do it for 100 times, weighted average you take, that will be approximately the statistical average. Okay? This is clear right now.
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
it
yes,
is
sir.
a continuous sine signal, you sum it all divided by 100. Right? Here you should not sum it all. See, if it is only sine wave, if it is a continuous sine signal, so many samples you are getting. You sum it and divide by the number of samples. What will be the average of the sine wave? Can you tell? You forget about all randomness and all. Only one sine wave. I take some 100 cycles, full cycles, 100 full cycles. What is the average of the sine wave? Can you tell? 100. This is one cycle.
0.
Zero, right? That's all. Just I want to
Yes,
check.
sir. Yeah.
Your basic you must be strong actually. See, I have given an example of E of x. See, I will not give x square. E of x square, you will find, how will you find out? X t, E of x square of t. Same way, square it. See, I average, sum it. Square it, square value, you, different four values will be getting, weighted by the probability. That is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Autocorrelation is E of x of t1 and x of t2. See, in the sine wave, at t1, x of t1, this is 1 second. This could be say 3 seconds. At 1 second, okay, one side wave you take. At 1 second, what is the value? 3 seconds, what is the value? This could be 0.3, this could be minus 0.1. You multiply it. Okay, this is for one side wave actually. So either you weigh by the probability or 100 times if you are finding the experiment, this multiplied value, let it be some 0.01 or 0.05, whatever it may be, 0.05. Okay, another will be 0.02. Like that, four different values you will be getting actually, right? Whatever weighted average of all you find, that is called autocorrelation. See, the same way we did for average, right? This you can do, right? Is it clear, or if you don't understand, should I go to the page and tell you? I'll go to better.
Autocorrelation is for that same wave only at different time instances.
No, different time instant. Yeah, different time instant.
Yeah.
Not same wave. One wave you take, next wave. There are four possibilities, right?
Yeah.
The,
Huh.
for one wave, particular theta equal to 0, at t1 this has one value, t2 this has value, particular value. Okay, at theta equal to 0 you fix it. This has one value, this has one value. Product is a particular value. Theta equal to 0, product has one particular value. Theta equal to pi by 2, product has another value. Theta equal to pi another value. Theta equal to 3 pi by 2 another value. There are four different values are there. So each value you weigh by their probabilities. Theta equal to 0, what is the probability? Say 0.1. This you, should I write or you are able to understand actually?
so
Okay.
for
Huh?
if I take into the consideration of the cross correlation, means like sine and cos are two different signals, like that we have to take.
No, no, this is why I'm taking different phases actually. I'm taking a sine wave, but different phase actually. See, 0 phase and pi by 2 and pi and 3 pi by 2 different phases are there actually. Right?
So
Each
that
one is different realization actually. Sine 0 is with 0 one sine wave actually. Shall I go to that picture? See, theta equals 0, this sine wave actually. Theta equals pi, this sine wave. Like that, four different sine waves. But this will repeat so many times, this will repeat so many times, this will repeat so many times. All the four will repeat different times. Total is 100 times actually. Right? So, if it is autocorrelation, what do you do? See, you fix T1, this one. T2, I am just giving an example, this. Okay, just an example. This value and this value you multiply for this wave. For the same time, here it is negative. This is different value. You multiply. This occurs with some probability. Say this is 0.4. This is minus 0.2. Each one has different probability. So where this multiplied by P1, this multiplied by P2, like that 4. Then add. That will give the statistical autocorrelation actually. See, what you do for average, you don't multiply one value you took and weigh by the probability. What do you do? Autocorrelation, you multiply two different instants, the values, and weigh by the probability. This concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? See, this value and this value, to do different times. This could be 1 second, this could be 3 seconds. Right? This sine wave, two different values are there, you multiply, you get one value. Let it be, I'm just giving arbitrarily one example, 0.3 for theta equals 0, theta equal to pi by 2, you get minus 0.2. Like this, four different values are there. Each one, this is P of 0, this is P of pi by 2, this is P of pi, this is P of probability of 3 pi by 2. You multiply, sum it, that will give the probability or weighted average of the product actually. X of T1 and X of T2 is a number actually, right? That variable, if you weigh by the probability and sum it, that will be the average value of the product actually. Average value of X of T1 and X of T2. E of X of T1 and X of T2. Is it clear? We got X of T1, X of T2, we get fixed time. T1 is equal to 1 second, this and just arbitrarily give an example. This could be 10, this could be 20 seconds, whatever it may be, whatever you want. Right? You find the values, multiply, you got a value, you weigh it by the probability actually. This is called autocorrelation actually, or as T1, T2. Right? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. For cross correlation.
This is not cross correlation, this is autocorrelation actually.
Yeah. For cross correlation also.
The cross correlation means you do this for one coin, this experiment, you take another coin, do similar experiment. Okay, I'll write the formula, but you will be able to correlate actually. The cross correlation X of T1 and Y of T2 actually. See, this is one coin. This is another coin actually. Right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This X is one coin, this Y is another coin. T1 is 10 seconds, the another coin it is 15 seconds. I'm just giving an example. You multiply it for one realization, you multiply it, you got a product. For different realization, you weigh by the what is the probability actually? If it is, I told you experimentally how to do it for pattern realization, but I said the formula actually. You multiply it, how will you weigh by the probabilities actually. If it is 1, you weigh by the probabilities of x of t1 and x of t2. Okay. Okay, I didn't write the formula. I'll write it. Okay.
So can you explain this cross correlation using that signals?
Yeah, first that autocorrelation, I didn't write the formula, then I'll come to the cross correlation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Autocorrelation x of t1 and x of t2 expectation. This is statistical expectation, right? See, deterministic expectation is different from statistical expectation. Deterministic expectation means one waveform you take so many samples, sum it and divide by total, right? And deterministic autocorrelation also we saw 1 by n x of n plus k x of n, right? That is deterministic autocorrelation actually. If it is a time varying signal actually, this is for random signals actually, right? How will you find out? X of t1, x of t2 you multiply, right? Two different times the waveform. For one theta equals 0, like that theta equal to pi by 2, like that theta equal to pi 2 pi by 2, theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, this will occur with the probability of 0, like that. Another x of t1 and x of t2, another realization. Same time actually. X of t2, probability of pi by 2 plus like that. 4 terms will be there actually. Right? Sorry. I got a mistake. So this is, I'm wrong. That is E of x t1. This is autocorrelation, right? So E of x t1 only, this x of t2 will not be there. P of 0, P of pi by 2 and all will be there. And shall I write it again? What is the difference between autocorrelation? That is mean and autocorrelation. Shall I write it again? I'll better write it.
Yes.
Mean xt1, mean E of xt1. E of xt1 at t equal to say 10 second or whatever it may be. T1 could be any value. You can fix it. It is nothing but x of t1. T1 is some 10 second whatever it may be. P of there are so many waveforms, right? That waveform came from P of 0 plus x of t1 P of pi by 2, probability of pi by 2 plus x of t1 probability of 2 pi by 2 plus x of t1 probability of 3 pi by 2. See, this waveform is x of t1. This waveform is x of t1 actually. This is another waveform. This is theta equals 0, theta equals pi by 2. Right? So, this is clear? This is E of x of t1 actually. Time you fix it. Okay? I told you, there are 100 realizations, 100 values, and total 100 are there. Time you fix it. This occur with some probability. This products are coming. Are you disturbed by this? Actually, I don't know why these problems are coming actually. No, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See, E of x of t1, fix the time actually. Okay, for one realization, this is came from 0. This came from pi by 2, like that. If you fix the time, you can use practical method. Wait, this has happened 50 times, this has happened 20 times, like that. You find, note down the values, except you note down the values. Weigh by their occurrences. This is zero point 0.3 volt. This is minus 0.7 volt. Right? This has occurred 20 times. 0.3 into, I told you, no? Like that, you submit divided by 100.
Yes.
That is practical method. Theoretically, 0.3 occur with a probability some 0.1, 0.3 into 0.1, minus 0.7 occur with 0.4 probability. So weigh the probability and submit. That is the theoretical method. Okay, this is average actually at XT1. XT1, XT2, the same thing you are extending actually, right? What do you do? This is one waveform. This is T1. This is 10 seconds. This is T2. Say 15 seconds. This value is a minus sine wave. It is 0.2. This is minus 0.1. You multiply is minus 0.02. This came from 0. So it is a probability 0.1. Like that. 4 values plus 0.4. Probability 0.3. Like that. 4 values are there. Sum, all. That's all. There is no division because probability you have taken care actually. Total number of occurrences divided by favorable by total. That is the ratio. It should be less than 1. So if you sum this is called statistical autocorrelation. What is the doubt in this actually? Is it clear or what is the doubt? This is x of t1. This is x of t2. Different times you multiply it, weigh by the probabilities and sum it. There are only 4 possibilities actually. This minus 0.2, 0.02 can occur with a 0.1 probability. 0.4 can occur with 0.3 probability. Right? This is probability. You weigh that probability and sum it. That will give you the average value of product. Right? E means average value. This is extension of E of XT1. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? What is your doubt actually?
This is for autocorrelation only, no?
Yeah, autocorrelation. Yeah. First to understand autocorrelation. We'll go to cross correlation next. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Huh? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you take two sets. One coin. One coin, you toss it twice, you got one realization. Another same coin, toss twice. There are 100 realizations you got. Take this coin one, same experiment, coin, take another coin. Do this 100 experiment, right? Is it clear? So you fix the time T1. Here you fix the time T2, right? So I have done one mistake. I am doing the same mistake again. I told you, no, I didn't write the formula. That's why this problem comes. Forget about cross correlation. Before the autocorrelation, x of t1, I write the formula. X of t2, joint probability of x of t1 and x of t2. This is the actual formula, joint probability. Sigma we call it as T1 I, T2 I, I give. Here also I equal to 1 to 4. 1 equal to 0, 2 equal to pi by 2, etc. 3 equal to pi, 4 equal to 3 pi by 2. Each has some probability, right? This is a joint probability actually. This is at 10 seconds, this is 15 seconds actually. What is joint probability? Can you tell actually? What is probability of xt1? xt1 I equal to 0. What is the probability actually? I will call 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. So I am giving example, point 0.1, this is point 0.2, this is point 0.3, this is point 0.4, let us say. So what is the probability of xt1? 0 actually. What is the probability actually? I, 0 fit, what is the probability?
0.1.
0.1, right? What is xt1? I equal to 2, it is 0.2. This is clear, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the joint probability of xt1 I, xt2 I? You are studying over sigma, various i's. T1 is T2, but I is same actually. What is the joint probability actually? You will understand this. This is very important actually. I will explain you patiently. Please listen. xt1 is alone. You know that this probability of I is 0, then it is 0.1. I have given an example. Right? xt2 I equal to 0, it is 0.1 only. Even though T1 and T2 are different, probability is same. We agree or not? Because it is only one sine wave actually, zero phase, one sine wave actually. This is T1, this is T2. Is it clear? Both came from the same space, so probability is same. Is it clear or not? Is
Okay.
it clear? P of
Yes, sir.
xt1 I equal to P of, right, P of x of t1 I equal to P of x of t2 I. Right? Because it came from the same wave. You plug into the formula and got it actually. But it generated from the theta. So probability is same. Right? So what is the joint probability of x of t1 and x of t2 I? What is the joint probability now? Joint probability, I told you now, P of AB, if they are not, if it is independent, P of A into P of
Probability of
B,
A.
if it is P of dependent, what is the probability? P of A
Probability of
into P
A
of B
into
given
probability
A,
of
right?
B by A.
So here, what is the probability of xt1? If I equal to 0, it is 0.1, right? What is the probability of p given a? So, if
Point
you have been
one.
given I equal to 0, that is theta equal to 0, it is given. What is the probability of this xt2? Given this one, this is given actually. This value is given actually, given t2. X of t1 is given to you. X of t1 has four values, right? And this t1, it has four values. That value is given to you actually. So what is the probability of this? Given
Same only. Point.
huh? What? See, x of t1 is say 0.3. This has been given actually. So what is the probability of this?
So same as x of t1.
No, no. See, this is A is given. That means
So
A
A
has
is
happened. No, no. This is for I equal to 0, theta equal to 0. It has happened actually. Right? It has happened. So
Yeah.
it has happened. A has happened actually. Right? What is the probability of B? It has also happened actually. Probability of B given A is 1, right? Are you able to understand this?
Mm,
See, this alone is 0.1. I told you. This alone is zero point 0.1. But
yeah.
if you share these words, if you are given this also you can exactly tell actually. Because it is sine wave, if the formula is sin 2 pi f into the t value you are going to put 10 or 15. If you know that this has happened, this is also definitely going to happen actually. If it is 0.3, 0.1 volt, See, this is sine wave, right? If it is 0.1 volt, this you can tell at 15 seconds theta equals 0, you are getting 0.1 volt. This could be 0.7 volt. Exactly, you can tell, right? See, you are substituting in the formula, you will be getting 0.7 only. Is it clear or not? See, this 0.1 or minus 0.4 or depending upon theta 4 values you are getting. But if you give this I can tell. This concept is clear. If I give minus 0.4, this could be 0.5. I am giving an example. You plug into the formula. You are getting this. Uniquely you can tell. If you tell this, I can tell this. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Sir, it is somewhat confusing.
Okay, I will come back. No, this please understand actually. Otherwise, see, this is important actually. Now, theta equals 0. Okay, it is probability I had given. Four probabilities I had given actually. At t equal to 10 seconds, this value I had given actually. For theta equal to 0, 10 seconds, it is say 0.3. Theta equal to pi by 2. Four values minus 0.4, like that, 0.7, 0.06. Four different values at t equal to 10 seconds. I have given actually. Right? If you say this t equal to 10 seconds, this is the value. This is the value I have told you. So at t equal to 15, can you find or not? Can you tell or not? This
Yes, sir.
0.3. Because this corresponds to, you substitute in the formula sin 2 pi into 1000 into 10 plus theta equal to 0. You got this 0.3. So in the formula, you substitute instead of 10, 15, you will be getting, I am just arbitrarily telling, this is 0.4. So if you tell this, I can tell this exactly, right?
Yes.
So if this has happened, what is the probability of 0.4? It is 1. Are you able to understand? Probability of B given A, it is 1. Are you able to understand this? For this, it will be different value. It could be 0.1. It won't be 0.4. So if you tell this at 10-second value, 15-second value is uniquely determined actually. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is probability of A. This is probability of B given A is 1 actually. So probability of AB is probability of A multiplied by probability of B given A. So this is point. I am giving a, what is that? Probability of A is whatever it may be, 0, it is 0.1 probability. So probability of AB is also 0.1 actually. It's equal to probability of A, equal to probability of B. Is it clear? In this particular example I am telling. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So x of t1 x of t2 joint probability you have to find out. X of t1, x of t2, probability of joint probability in general. Probability joint probability of x of t1, x of t2. You have to find out the joint probability. So joint probability in our case is probability only because this particular nature x of t1 is given, x of t2 also is fixed actually. So joint probability is nothing but probability of t1 only, right? So, but if it is different, you find the probabilities and multiply actually. Okay, that you have to find out actually. That probability you have to find out. And sum it for all like I equal to 0, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. This is the autocorrelation. This is the formula. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I give you an assignment, you have to do it actually. Okay.
Yes.
If you don't understand, you tell me actually. You have to understand the meaning of that, not just formula. Formula won't help actually. You can't do anything with formula alone actually. Maths alone actually. Right? This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
What is autocorrelation? You can find out, right? If I give 100 realization at t equal to 10 seconds and 20 seconds, you can tell me what is the autocorrelation value, right? If I give the realization, you have to multiply and each how many times happened and total number. You would weight average, you have to find out actually. You can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
if you can't do it, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you did it for 100 times for one coin. Coin 2, another 100 times you have done. Coin 1, t equal to 10 seconds. Coin 2, t equal to 10 seconds. You multiply joint probability of xt1 and probability of xt2 to yt2. Right?
Yes.
If they are dependent, then they may be dependent or may not be dependent. We don't know. If they are independent, it will multiply probability of xt1, probability of yt2. It will be if they are independent. Otherwise, you have to use the joint probability actually of probability of xt1 and yt2.
Yes.
This is called cross correlation actually. Same thing. Instead of same waveform, use different waveform. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I will not explain again the same thing. You have to understand actually. Okay. Two different kinds, repeat kind actually. Okay. Then wide sense stationary. See, something like stationary and wide sense stationary. But wide sense stationary is more important actually because mostly we will insist on wide sense stationary. The stationary means the PD of P of xt1 equal to P of xt2. Different times the probability density function will be same actually. Mean is same, probability density function will be same actually. That is strict sense stationary. We don't insist on that. We'll call something less stringent. Okay. Stationary is more stringent actually. We will not go for that. So, wide sense stationary mean is constant, independent of time. Autocorrelation depends on, we found Rx T1, T2 depends on the time difference. Rx T1, T2 exactly equal to Rx T2, T3. If T2 minus T1 is equal to T4 minus T3, both are equal to tau, autocorrelation is same actually. Right? Autocorrelation depends on the time difference actually. Okay? Am I too slow? It is okay, or the speed is okay, or you want to go fast or slow actually? Hello?
Speed is okay, sir.
Okay. Now, I told mean is constant, independent of time. Autocorrelation is depends on difference between T2 and RF T1, T2 you found out. Okay. The difference actually. So, for example, autocorrelation between 10 and 15 seconds is same as 20 and 25 actually. 10 and 15 difference is 5 seconds. 20 and 25 also 5 seconds. So autocorrelation between 10 and 15 is same as autocorrelation between 20 and 25 actually. If it is the property holds, mean is independent of time, E of x of 10 equal to E of x of 20, then Rx of 10 15 is equal to Rx of 20 25. I am just giving an orbit example. Then it is called wide sense stationary actually. Okay, it is called wide sense stationary. So, in our example of sine wave, is it wide sense stationary? Can anybody tell? Is it wide sense stationary? Whether autocorrelation is independent of time actually? We will have a close look. We'll try to do it mathematically rather than practically doing it. Mathematically, we'll try to do it. Okay. So I told sin omega t plus theta hat sin omega t plus theta I. Theta I is 0 to 0, theta I is 0, pi by 2, etc. 3 pi by 2, 3 2 pi by 2. One of these four possibilities, I. Okay? So, what is autocorrelation? T1 and T2, right? You take T1 and T2, sin omega T1, sorry, plus theta I, sin omega T2 plus theta I, you multiply it, right? Go to made by the joint PDF. I told you, no, joint PDF will become only for PDF of probability density of T1 only, actually, because I told you, no, P of A multiplied by P of B by A is 1 actually, so P of A actually,
One.
right? So P of theta I. So I equal to 0 to 3. Theta 0, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Right? So what is the product actually? Sin A, sin B. What is the formula? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, right?
Yes.
Cos A plus B is what? Cos omega T1 plus T2. Okay. Plus T2 theta I. Into cos difference. Omega into T2 minus T1. Right?
Yes.
Theta, probability of theta I equal to 0 to 3. Right? Is it legible or is it very bad actually writing? Are you able to see
Yes,
this
yes,
actually?
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
That
No,
will
I
be
don't-
minus 2 theta I, sir. Second term.
Second term?
No.
No,
Theta I
this is
minus theta
omega
I will
into
be
summing.
cancelled each other.
Yeah, omega
Hmm.
theta I cancelled actually.
Oh,
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay. So here probability of theta I some number theta 0 one number theta 2 another number. But the thing is suppose it is 10 second, this is 50 second. Instead of this, if I give 20, this is 25, this sum is 25, this sum is 45 actually. So you won't get the same value, right? Is it clear? Even though probability of theta 0, theta 1, theta is same, theta 2, T2 minus T1 is same. 10, 15, difference is 5, 20, 25 also this is 5, this term will be same. Whereas this term, there is a sum actually. Is it clear or if you don't, from this equation, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yeah.
The sum for 10 and 15 is 25, then 20 and 25 is 45. So you won't get the same value actually. So it is not independent of time difference actually. This difference is 5, this is also 5, but you won't get the same value. Rx of 10 and 15 not equal to Rx of 20, 25. So this is not widespread stationary. Are you able to understand this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
Huh?
Yes.
Simple
Yes, sir.
formula, right? Sin A sin B is cos A plus B plus cos A
Yes.
minus B. I
Yes.
sum it. Time difference alone comes, then we are through. But time sum is coming actually, right?
Hmm.
So this depends on T1 and T2. If they are different, even though difference is same, you are not going to get the same value. This is not a widespread stationary process actually,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So widespread stationary mean should be independent of time. Autocorrelation should depend on time difference, not absolute value of the time actually. So which is not the case in our example actually, right? So what is is white noise process? Autocorrelation is impulse. RS T1, T2 we saw actually, right? Autocorrelation of at T1 and T2. So if that autocorrelation of T1 and T2 is given by a delta function, delta is impulse function, T2 minus T1, right? So what is that value? T2 equal to T1, it is 0 actually. Delta 0 is 1. T2 is not equal to 0. T2 minus T1 is not equal to 0. Delta non-zero value is 0 actually. So if both are same, you are getting an impulse, otherwise it is 0 actually. So autocorrelation is an impulse actually. This is called white noise process actually.
Okay.
Yes.
Impulse means infinite power, right? The power is infinite actually. So it is a theoretical concept actually. Practically it is not possible. Theoretically
Yes,
infinite
yes.
power, but practically it is not possible. So the Fourier transform of autocorrelation function is called power spectral density. Unit is watts per hertz. Okay. Generally this is the impulse, right? N0 by 2 will give actually. Represent white noise process actually. The impulse of strength N0 by 2. Okay. N0 by 2. But if you take the Fourier transform of impulse, what will it do? It will be constant, right? I'll teach it separately one day. But Fourier transform of impulse is constant actually. Fourier transform of constant is impulse. Fourier transform of constant is time domain is what actually? If it is 5 volts always, what do you call this waveform actually? If the x of t is 5 volts always with respect to time, minus infinity plus infinity. What do you call this waveform actually?
DC.
Yeah, why do you hesitate? With force, you want to tell. Yes, it is DC, right? So Fourier transform of DC is impulse actually, right? Fourier transform impulse, it has all frequencies. It is called weight actually. All frequency means white. We know in sunlight, all colors are there, right? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, all are there. That's why it is called white light. Same way it is called white noise. So all frequencies are equal magnitude actually. So if you this is called power spectral density. Power spectral density means how power is distributed with respect to frequency. Here, in this power spectral density curve, the omega naught and omega 1 or whatever frequency may be, omega naught and minus omega naught and plus omega naught, I want to find the power. You integrate this minus P of omega, power spectral density, that is Fourier transform of autocorrelation function. Only for white noise it is impulse. Don't think that for every function it will be impulse, right? It could be some different impulses will be there. You get an impulse, shifted impulse. One strength could be plus, another could be minus. It could be different actually, right? It need not be one simple impulse actually. There are correlation, right? It will not be impulse actually. So power spectrum will not be flat. If it is correlation, there won't be flat. If there are very shifted impulses, it won't be flat. It's some curve. Between minus omega naught and plus omega naught, if you find the area, you are integrating power spectral density with respect to frequency integral. That will increase the power actually. Power density is watts per hertz multiplied by hertz will give power actually. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall we stop here or go ahead and should we finish? How many slides are the pulse shaping? 1, 2, 3. No, I think it's not possible actually. I'm tired actually. Okay, shall we break here?
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubt, you ask me actually.
So we'll go through this concept. So if you get any doubt, we'll ask.
Yeah. It should be, how do you go? Shall I email this and you read or you read a book or what do you want actually? Populis and Propis, you can read both for this actually. Populis,
Sir, you
Propis-
told some videos, sir, MIT lectures.
No, MIT videos, they are talking about probability only. They don't talk about stochastic process. That, but there may be some other lecture. I don't know. You can see that. But whatever course I attended, only probability,
Yes.
Poisson and Markov chain and Bernoulli, continuous Of course, criteria, discrete distribution, all those things are there, but not stochastic process actually.
Okay,
That
so
was not there actually.
in
But
Populis,
popularity is there actually. Popularity and the
yes,
Progis. Progis, he has given a brief chapter. Popularity extensive actually.
yes. So if you get any doubt, we'll ask.
Yeah, but whatever I have explained, are you understanding this, right? What is autocorrelation? What is
Ah, sir,
cross
we
correlation?
understood.
Huh?
Ah,
Yes,
sir, we
yes,
understood,
Yes.
but we have to go through some examples, so we'll concentrate more clear on this.
Yes.
I gave an example. Thank you. I gave it.
Has,
You
yeah, so
plug
yeah,
like
in.
that
that,
we
we will
understood.
practice some more examples.
Okay, okay, okay.
So means we got the picture like how it is. Means if we
Yeah.
practice some more, so we'll be thorough with those things.
Okay, sure, sure. You can go through the book and get some more examples and do it actually.
Yes.
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 Okay. Yeah, with this we'll stop actually.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.